Hi, this is a short update. I know that I've not been posting videos recently. The thing is that I was in the US for a seminar. I could not go back to Singapore because of the current situation, so I had to go back to Italy, my country. So for now I'm here, and unfortunately here I don't have a very good internet connection. Meaning to say I'm not able currently to upload long videos, only short videos like the one you're watching now. So I want to tell you something about the investing because I know that everything is very bearish now. Currently my trading portfolio, I stopped to take trades because I'm just looking for short setups, but I couldn't find much. Long-term investing for the US market, I have actually one portfolio that is doing quite well, and I will give you more information in the future when I can. For the long-term investing portfolio where I'm buying ETFs, of course it's down, but we know that when you buy strong companies and ETFs, eventually they are going back and even higher than before. So I'm not really concerned. REITs in Singapore, they are also going down, but again, I look at this as an opportunity to buy strong REITs at a very discounted price. So all in all, I know the situation is not ideal, there is a lot of volatility, but you should also look at the positive side, what you can do. So from the investing point of view, again, just look at it as a way to accumulate strong companies and ETFs at a discounted price. Concerning your personal life, my suggestion is to do exactly the same. That means don't focus on the news, on all the negative updates that you can watch from TV, but rather focus on the best that you can get from this period. Maybe now you will have more free time to focus on your self-development, to learn new things, to read books, and things like that. Given the fact that my internet connection is not so good, I will be posting more on Instagram and probably Facebook for the next weeks or months, we'll see. So you can follow me there and you have the link as usual in the description. And with this, I stop here because otherwise I will not be able to upload the video. And stay safe wherever you are and see you soon.